Imagine stepping into a world where tiny needles are the key to unlocking your body's natural healing potential. Acupuncture, once considered an ancient secret from the Far East, is now finding its place in modern healthcare. But how can something as simple as a needle inserted into your skin help with everything from chronic pain to anxiety? Well, in this video, stick with me, and I'll walk you through how these seemingly mystical needles are poking their way into Western medicine, proving that sometimes old school wisdom knows best. What is acupuncture? If you think acupuncture is just about poking needles into random spots, think again. Acupuncture is a holistic practice rooted in traditional Chinese medicine that dates back over 2,500 years. This ancient practice revolves around the idea of balancing the body's vital energy, called qi, through carefully placed needles. According to TCM, illness is caused by disruptions in the flow of qi, and acupuncture helps restore harmony. In Western medicine, acupuncture is often understood to stimulate the nervous system, prompting the body to release chemicals like endorphins that ease pain, reduce stress, and even promote healing. But can such an old technique truly stand up to the standards of modern science? Spoiler alert, yes, it can. And I'll tell you why. How does acupuncture work? Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of what actually happens when those needles go in. Think of your body like a complex network of highways, with energy or qi flowing through it, just like traffic. Sometimes, though, that traffic gets jammed, whether it's due to pain, stress, or injury. Acupuncture is like a traffic cop, directing the flow and clearing the blockages. Scientifically, acupuncture is believed to stimulate your central nervous system, triggering the release of neurotransmitters and hormones that help relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and boost healing. One recent study even found that acupuncture affects the body's pain-regulating pathways, which means those tiny needles might be signaling your brain to reduce pain. Talk about a cool body hack, right? But that's just scratching the surface. There's so much more going on beneath the skin that's still being uncovered by modern researchers. The way acupuncture taps into your body's natural processes could very well be the future of healing. The modern-day benefits of acupuncture. Acupuncture is no longer a mysterious practice reserved for faraway temples in ancient China. It's slowly becoming a go-to solution for those seeking alternative ways to address various health issues, from chronic pain to emotional struggles. Let's take a look at how this ancient art is finding its place in today's world, and what real-world benefits people are experiencing from regular acupuncture sessions. 1. Pain relief more than just a pinprick. When you think of acupuncture, you might first think about pain relief, and for good reason. Pain management is one of the most well-established benefits of acupuncture. Whether you're dealing with a persistent backache, arthritis, or even tension headaches, acupuncture has been shown to reduce pain intensity and improve mobility. Multiple studies back this up, with one systematic review concluding that acupuncture is effective in reducing chronic pain in conditions like osteoarthritis and lower back pain. Even people with migraines have reported fewer attacks and less intense pain after acupuncture treatments. How does this work? Researchers believe that acupuncture stimulates the body's pain-relieving chemicals, like endorphins, and blocks pain signals from reaching the brain. So, next time you're tempted to pop a pill, why not try a needle instead? It's been proven to be effective in a variety of studies and might just become your new go-to for pain management. 2. Stress reduction. Needles for nerves. Let's face it, we all deal with stress. Between work, personal life, and the endless list of daily responsibilities, stress is basically our constant companion. But here's the good news. Acupuncture might just be the stress buster you've been looking for. Studies show that acupuncture has a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce the levels of stress hormones like cortisol. Not only that, but acupuncture may also trigger the release of feel-good chemicals like serotonin, which helps alleviate anxiety and depression. Imagine walking into a room full of needles and walking out feeling lighter, more centered, and at peace. It sounds like magic, but it's backed by real science. And it's not just about the physical needles, it's about creating a space for your mind and body to reset and recharge. After a session, many people report feeling more relaxed, with a greater sense of clarity and mental well-being. 3. Improve sleep quality. Do you find yourself tossing and turning at night, desperate for some restful sleep? If so, acupuncture could be the sleep aid you've been searching for. Insomnia and sleep disturbances are often linked to stress, anxiety, and chronic pain, areas where acupuncture excels. By balancing your body's energy and helping to relax the nervous system, acupuncture may promote a more restful, deeper sleep. Research supports this claim, with some studies showing that acupuncture improves sleep quality by regulating the body's circadian rhythms. So, if you're tired of counting sheep or relying on pills to get through the night, acupuncture could offer a natural, needle-based alternative to sweeten your dreams. 4. Enhanced mental well-being. It's not just your body that acupuncture targets. Your mind gets a boost too. Acupuncture can help with everything from anxiety and depression to emotional distress, offering a holistic approach to mental health. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that acupuncture significantly improved mood and emotional well-being in patients dealing with anxiety and depression. By inserting needles at specific points, acupuncture works to promote a balance between your mind and body, helping you feel more emotionally stable and in control. Imagine turning to acupuncture, not just for physical pain, but also for a mental reboot. It's a reminder that health is not just physical, it's emotional too. The science behind the needles. Now, if you're still a little skeptical, and let's be honest, you wouldn't be human if you weren't. It's time to delve into the science behind acupuncture. How do those tiny needles make such a big difference? Well, it turns out there's more to acupuncture than just pricking you with needles. In fact, acupuncture has been shown to influence the brain and nervous system in a way that can reduce pain, inflammation, and even emotional distress. For example, acupuncture has been shown to activate certain areas of the brain that regulate pain and emotions. A study in Nature Neuroscience highlighted that acupuncture might increase blood flow to the brain's pain-regulating regions, which helps modulate pain perception. So, the next time you're poked with a needle, just know that your body is likely sending a signal to your brain to calm down and start healing. It's like your very own body hack, using ancient techniques and modern science combined. Is acupuncture safe? Safety is always a concern when it comes to any treatment, and acupuncture is no exception. However, acupuncture is considered generally safe when performed by a licensed, trained practitioner. Unlike some other treatments, acupuncture uses very thin, sterile needles, reducing the risk of infection or complications. In fact, the risk of side effects is minimal, with the most common being minor bruising or soreness at the insertion site. If you're concerned about the safety of acupuncture, it's important to seek treatment from a qualified professional who adheres to strict hygiene standards. So, rest assured when done right, acupuncture is not only effective, but also safe for the vast majority of people. And remember, always consult your healthcare provider before trying any new treatment. And that's it. If you found this video acupuncture info helpful, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Stay sharp, stay relaxed, and I'll see you in the next one.